Good morning, students. Last period, poet's mother in serious condition, scorpion bite her, and all villagers came to see her. They said and they sat around on the floor with my mother in the center, the piece of understanding on each page. Okay, now they all sat around on the floor and poet's mother in the center, the piece of understanding on each face. Okay, the peasants sat on the floor with the poet's mother in the center. The expression of peaceful understanding of the pain that the poet's mother felt was evident on their faces. Okay, now page number 102. More candles, more lanterns, more neighbors, more insects, and the endless rain. My mother twisted through and through. Now, more candles, more lanterns means more neighbors, okay, and they had more candles, more lanterns means number of people gathered too much, okay. So more candles, more lanterns, more neighbors, more insects were used, and the endless rain, continuous non-stop rain. My mother twisted through and through. Poet's mother in painful condition, and she twisted through and through, groaning on a mat. Groaning means a mournful sound conveying pain or grip. Poet's mother was groaning on a mat spread on the ground. She twisted again and again. She twisted. Okay. Now, see next. My father, skeptic, rationalist, trying every curse and blessing, powder, mixture, herb and hybrid. He even poured a little paraffin upon the bitten toe and put a match to it. I watched the flame feeding on my mother. I watched the holy man perform his rites to tame the poison with an incantation. After 20 hours, it lost its sting. My mother only said, "Thank God, the scorpion picked on me and spared my children." Now listen, poet's father, skeptic, rationalist, okay, non-believer. Actually, poet's father, non-believer, rationalist. Skeptic means non-believer, okay. Rationalist means a person who believes in reason and knowledge than opinion and belief, okay. Poet's mother was in extreme pain due to the scorpion sting. To relieve her of her pain, the poet's father tried everything from curses, blessings to powders, mixtures, herbs and hybrids. Hybrid means actually mixture of two things. He even poured a little paraffin. Paraffin means melted wax upon the bitten toe and put a match to it. He means here poet's father. He even poured some paraffin, melted wax on his wife's wound and lit it with the matchstick as a remedy for the venom, remedy for the poison, okay. The flame burnt a part of the skin where the scorpion had stung the poet's mother. I watched the flame feeding on my mother. Now poet keep on watching the flame that burnt a part of the skin where the scorpion had stung the poet's mother. I watched the holy man perform his rites to tame the poison. I watched each and every moment, curses, blessings, powder, hybrid, mixture, whatever, everything is father made to relieve, tame the poison with an incantation, means chanting of word, chanting mantras, all that. Okay. Now after 20 hours it lost its sting. After 20 hours the poison lost its sting and the mother find relief. Okay. My mother only said, then also see, her condition means painful condition, continuously 20 hours, okay, painful condition. Then also my mother only said, thank God the scorpion picked on me and spared my children. Okay, see, the poet's mother thanked God. Why? Because he had picked her to bear the pain of the scorpion's bite and had spared her children of that misfortune. This shows mother's unconditional love. At last, still painful condition, 20 hours she is in painful condition. Then also she thanked God. Why? Because scorpion had picked her to bear the pain of the scorpion's bite and had spared her children of that misfortune. Now see, here one question given. When did the mother find relief? After 20 hours the poison lost its sting and the mother find relief. Okay, and figure of speech. More candles, more lanterns, more neighbors, more insects and the endless rain. Figure of speech, repetition. The word more repeated. Okay. Next, one more figure of speech. My mother twisted through and through. Repetition. The word through repeated. Okay. So figure of speech, repetition. Trying every curse and blessing, powder, mixture, herb and hybrid. Antithesis. The words curse and blessings are used in the same line, means two opposite words, curse and blessings, are used in the same line to make the poem more interesting. Okay, and alliteration also, the sound of the letter H has been repeated twice for better poetic effect. And one more, I watched the flame feeding on my mother. Alliteration, the sound of the letter F has been repeated twice for poetic effect. And personification, the flame is given the human quality of feeding. So figure of speech, personification. And see your textbook, page number 102. See there, question number 1. After reading the poem, complete the following. What happens? Okay, 1 to 7 lines. First to 7 lines, the scorpion comes into the home to escape the rain and stings the poet's mother. And 8 to 33 line, peasants are there to help. Various methods and means of removing the sting are tried. Okay. Next 34 to 48 lines, father tried whatever he could do. Mother suffered a lot. After 20 hours the sting was controlled. Mother thanked God and said, scorpion picked on me and spared my children. And page number 103, complete the following tables. The type given and rural urban given, type already given. Okay, and rural urban, the peasants came like swarms of flies. There you write. Okay, and B, hides beneath a sack of rice and mother's blood back. Diabolic tail. Okay, dangerous. Diabolic tail parting with this poison. Okay, dangerous. Parting with this poison. And C, they came like swarms of flies. I already explained. Okay, they came large number with candles and lanterns to find the scorpion. They buzzed the name of God. They continuously called upon God to help. They threw giant scorpion shadows on the mud-baked walls. To the innocent, dreadful mind, The shadows of unwanted neighbors were worse than the scorpion. They clicked their tongues. They made sounds with their sounds to attract the scorpion to come out of hiding. Next, question number 3. Choose the correct alternative. The child is afraid but admires the bravery of his mother. His father and the villagers panic and hastily suggest religious remedies to help. The poet seems to see the villagers as impractical and almost irritating, which suggests the poet is critical of tradition. Now, page number 104. This is a dash poem as it tells a story. Narrative. Using the first person gives the feeling that is told from personal experience. The scorpion picked on me and spared my children depicts selfless and unconditional love of mother. The poem does not have a rhyme scheme, which means the poem is a perfect example of a free verse. The poem is titled Night of the Scorpion. For the major part of the poem, the scorpion is the victor. The peasants chant the name of God to nullify the stinging experience. The click of tongues reflects their dash to the predicament. Collective response. Okay. Predicament. Okay. Collective response. Next, question number 4. The attempts by the peasants to help alleviate the mother's pain. 9th and 10th line shows, okay. The action of these same peasants to kill the scorpion. 12th, 13th, 14th and 15th lines shows, okay. The reaction of the rational father. Page number 102, 6th and 7th line. The various superstitious versus the scientific. Page number 102, 8th and 9th line. Evil versus good. Page number 102, 13th and 14th line. Now, page number 105. Qualities given here. Father. Father is a skeptic, rationalist, tried to save his wife's life. He tried every curse and blessings, powder, mixture, hybrid, poured paraffin on the bite and lit fire to it. And mother is a selfless woman. Though she was on the point of death, she thanked God for sparing her children. She thanked God that the scorpion had picked on her instead of anyone in the family. Next, question number 6. Match the figure of speech. Okay. Metaphor. Actually, B, option B. An implied comparison, indirect comparison. Okay. Alliteration. The use of the same sound at the beginning of words. Onomatopoeia. A word which represents the sound it represents. Simile. A comparison between two different things, especially a phrase containing the words like, so, as. And BC, find example from the poem that contains simile, actually 8th line, metaphor 12th line, onomatopoeia 9th and 15th line. Now, question number 7, that board reduced portion. Now, page number 106. There, first question given, see. Scorpion crawling beneath a sack of rice. Sense of touch. I watched the flames feeding on my mother. And second, with candles and lanterns, throwing giant scorpion's shadows. And sound imagery, with an incantation. And internal sensations, thankfulness. And question number 9. Appreciation of poem. The poem Night of the Scorpion is written by Nissim Ezekiel. The poem is written in free verse without any rhyme scheme or meter. There are many figures of speech such as onomatopoeia, transferred epithet, personification, repetition, alliteration, antithesis, oxymoron, etc. Then you write any one figure of speech and explain it. The central idea of the poem depicts the selflessness and unconditional love of a mother who is stung by a scorpion. It also explains the care and affection of the villagers and their efforts to comfort the pain of the mother. And question number 10, that board reduced portion. Thank you.